Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Well, behind me I have a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero and I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner. And I'll show you right now what tools you're going to need. That's it, just your hands. That's how simple this job is. Let's get started. So the first step is pretty obvious. We're going to unlock our car, come around to the driver's side or the right hand side of the vehicle, open up the door fully, just come down into the footwell and there's a lever just here, give that a pull and that's going to open up your bonnet. So then come around to the front of the vehicle, just above the Mitsubishi badge there's a lever, push that to the left, open it up and we're going to put this bonnet stay in that hole there. With your bonnet now safe and secure, you're going to come over the left hand side of the vehicle when you're looking from the front and you'll notice this big black box. This is of course your air filter box and there is 3 clips holding it on, so one down the front there and 2 just on the side. Now there's a bit of a knack to this. What you have to do, lift it up from this side and then actually pull towards yourself and that will allow you to remove the lid completely. With that up, we'll actually be able to get out our air filter or cleaner, which looks something like this. Now when doing this, just take the time, clean out any debris from the bottom of the box, get your new filter, pop it back in, then again we're in reverse, we're just going to put it down all the way and then we're going to push it away from you. Just clip back on those 3 clips, like so. And there we go, that's how easy it is to remove and replace the air filter or air cleaner on a 2018 Mitsubishi Pajero. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give me the thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel.